The window is open and so is my mind. I didn't know that we could get so bored. Who knew we had so many birds out there? For years I've ignored those pretty birds. Why do they have to chirp so loud? Finally they're destroying my sleep. My sleep. I had just gone to bed right now, 'cause I can't sleep right these days. Early morning they came to wake me and remind me who is really free. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I'm looking at birds 'cause I have no choice. And for the first time in forever, I'm having fun alright. Don't know if it's a male or female, but I'm becoming an expert now. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I think bird watching is fun for all. Anna wakes me up every morning. All day Koel gets my attention. I'm just a bathroom singer, yeah. I'm no Anumalik for sure. So I can't be the judge to their wonderful voice. They are beautiful creatures worth their noise. So for the first time in forever, I think you should give bird watching a chance. Ooh. All the summer birds are waiting for you. Comment and tell us if you've spotted any bird. Thank you for watching the video.